वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स हो या कॉलेज स्टूडेंट, ब्रेकफास्ट जनरली मिस हो ही जाता है. Hence, this smoothie is for you. Fruits for fiber and antioxidants, some dates for natural sweetness, oats fiber के लिए, Greek curd आपके protein के लिए, and this smoothie keeps you full till about 11 or 12. Hence, there is no sugar craving or energy slump at 12. I believe that weight loss should be simple and not stressful. And if you also believe in it, then this recipe is for you.